Hi everyone, I'm Mike Carpenter with Automatic Ice Systems. I'm here in our warehouse in Fenton, Missouri with a Coalza RS400 packaging machine. I'm going to walk you through today how to change bag sizes. The first step, you're going to make an incision on the film, cut it straight across, right above the forming tube. Step 2, we're going to open up the doors of the machine and access the forming tube. When you open the doors, it'll trigger an alarm on the HMI, but that's perfectly normal, don't worry about it. Once you open the doors, you'll have access to this pin. This pin's going to allow you to access the forming tube. Next step, there's going to be a lever here, and this will release the dragging belts. We're then going to get our ladder. On the Coalza 400, there's going to be 4 of these handles, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. You can generally just loosen them with your hands. So don't have to take them all the way out, just get them loose so that it'll release the plate. All right, once those are loosened, the next step, there's a number 5 Allen bolt on the front under the fill tube. So you're gonna take your Allen wrench and you're gonna pull out this bolt. That should release the cup here. And you're gonna pull this out, assuming that you're changing sizes. If you're going to a larger tube, you're going to need a larger volume cup. It should just wiggle its way out. You'll set that aside. The next step, we're going to pull down the film. So it's cut, so there's just a short piece of film, but we're going to pull that and get that out of the way. The next step, we're going to actually remove the forming tube. So please keep in mind, in your facility, not just a warehouse, there's typically going to be a takeaway conveyor in this area. The knife is going to be hot, so we recommend doing this with a partner. All right, Rich, if you could give me a hand with this process. We're going to pull out the tube. Be aware that these springs are going to catch on the jaw assembly. That's perfectly fine. It's just going to make a funny noise. We're going to set it on our cart over here. There is a backstop behind the forming tube. You need to tighten that up if you're putting in a bigger forming tube. So it just rotates, spins to the right. You'll go all the way back to that backing nut until it's nice and tight, and then we'll be ready to put in the bigger tube. All right, we have here our 20-pound forming tube. It's same structure, just a wider diameter for the bigger film. Rich, if you could give me a hand again, we're going to put this on the machine. Same process, just in reverse. So be aware these are quite a bit more heavy than the small ones. All right, great, thank you, Rich. All right, now we're going to just work through the process in reverse. All right, we're going to tighten our 4 knobs. Just in reverse, just like before, just the opposite direction. Again, 2 on bottom, and we're going to come up top, and we have 2 here to tighten. This just tightens that forming tube up against the frame. All right, next we have our bigger volumetric piece. It's going to slide in the hole, and then that nut we pulled out, we're going to put that back in with the Allen. All right, now that we've got our forming tube in place and our hopper set up on top, all we need to do is set the new film for the new bags, pull it through the machine, reverse the process to close this up, and we're ready to make our new size bags. Thank you for joining us. Please follow our knowledge base for more videos coming soon. Thank you.